Right now, I feel like what, like the Hulk smash? Is that what it's called?
Yes, Hulk smash. Hey guys, so just wanted to show you some awesome stuff we got in the mail a couple days ago. These are the ReLeaf Big Scoop leaf scoopers that we got from a longtime supporter on Instagram and Facebook. These guys are pretty awesome. These are the limited edition gorilla hands. As you can see, it's got a gorilla shape to it, and then Angie has the original ones there. But it made picking up the leaves way easier, and then anytime you play with leaves, you definitely feel like a kid.
I do.
Angie has been playing around here like a kid all day. As you can see, she's trying to hit me with these hands.
It's just so much
anyways,
fun.
I just wanted to show these guys off. They're awesome. It made picking up the leaves way easier. The kids absolutely enjoyed it. They were out here using them as well, and the little one likes to think he's Hulk with these.
Yeah, I really love these because usually what we have the glove, the gloves to pick up. It's so muddy here, but I don't like using gloves, and I love these because it actually picks up a whole lot.
Yeah.
The scoop in there, lifts up a lot of leaves, so that is really cool and awesome. So yeah, we had a lot of fun and be using them quite a bit.
But again, awesome things. We'll put the link down in the description so you can order these. You can get these off of Amazon. We had these sent to us obviously for review, and we absolutely just love them. I mean, they're great to have anytime you have a big maple tree like this. It just, when fall comes, it just drops them all over the place.
Yeah. And I'm sure we're going to be getting more leaves from back there. Y'all can see, where we live at. They just seem to come all the way over here when the wind blows. So these are going to come out handy. So a big thank you once again to Gardees for thinking of us and sending these our way. And that will do it for the video, guys. So thank you so much, and we will see you on the next one.
Alright guys, that's it. I think we're done. Let's take everything inside.
Here's more leaves, guys. We got more leaves. Yes.